Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars. Today we are going to be doing our mini Mondays. So guys, I have $40 here. I have some ones, I have some spicy fives mixed in here, and I have some new dashboards. These cute dashboards are from Budget with Amanda. So we are going to get rolling here. If you're new here, we have 6 challenges here. I roll a 6-sided die, and that determines how many bills each challenge gets. So starting off strong with 1. All right, I hope you guys are having a great Monday. Oh, a great start to your day, to your week. 2, 3, and 4. This is my last week of school. Here's our first spicy 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm sure it's going to be chaotic. I'm filming this on Sunday, so I am just gearing up for the craziness. 3, 4, 5, our second spicy 5. Going back to challenge number 1. $1 again. Challenge number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this should be maybe our last one. Oh, no. Okay, but this one's getting the last spicy 5. And let's see. Wait. I feel like I did that wrong. Nope. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay, yes. Last 2 go here. So let's take a look at what we have saved. So it is the last week of school for me. Very exciting. I'm sure the kids are going to be bouncing off the walls. So excited to be done with school, as are the teachers. All right, this first challenge is by Tailor Your Budget. Each tea bag is $1. We have $2 here to add, so we're going to color in 2 tea bags. Aria and I just got done having a tea party, actually. Every time we have Zaxby's, Aria wants to do a little tea party because I did that one time. One time I did a little tea party when we had Zaxby's, and now whenever we have Zaxby's, she's like, tea party time. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. So $14 in challenge number 1 by Tailor Your Budget. Okay, challenge number 2 is a new one. This one is by Overthinking and Budgeting. And we are adding $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. So let's see if we can do the 6. Get rid of that biggest number. And then this 1 right here. Perfect. Okay, there we go. So we have $7 in there. Look at these cute geese. So adorable. So I'm trying to think of like a summer bucket list to do like with just myself and to do some things with Aria. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. All right, this next one is by Savings with Tracy. We just needed $2 actually. So I'm gonna set these ones to the side because this one got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm gonna set those ones to the side. I'm going to fill these last 2 circles in here. And let's count and see what we have. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's write that on the back here. We finished it on 5/18 with $12. All right. and we'll see where that extra money goes at the end. We'll see where we can put it. This next challenge is by me. It's our Raising Ballers challenge. And oh, you know what? I just realized I totally forgot to start on challenge number 3 because that's where we left off last time, but oh well, it's fine. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. Okay. I had to use my fingers because I was second guessing myself there for a second. $12. So, let's see. I think we finished this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes. Okay. So finished our second challenge here with $12. That's exciting. All right. Moving right along, we have challenge number 5. So for our summertime, like I was saying, let me know if you have ideas for what I can do for like a bucket list. That would be fun things to do with Aria. This one is by Anna Banana Budgets. I'm gonna say that the suns are 3, and then we have a bunch of 1s. So I'm gonna color in this one right here. I'm trying to think what I started a list, like a bucket list earlier, and I can't even remember what I put on it. And I started one for her, and I started one for myself, but I don't even remember what I had on there. My sister is flying me out to France for like a week in June, so that will be fun. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is by Shade's Budget and My Budget Life. And let's see, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we have 13 there. That needs 3 to finish. We just started that one. There's nothing there, there's nothing there. What do we need in here? Nope. Can we finish this one maybe? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can finish this one with $6 here. So let me fill this in. Hold on. So yeah, my sister's flying me out to France, which is so kind of her. Aria will be with her dad that week. So I'm going out there and gonna see her and her family, which is so exciting because I haven't seen them for like a year. $10, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20. All right. So I will have to plan ahead, like hopefully have my YouTube videos recorded ahead of time so that I still have content for y'all, and I'll probably have to close my Etsy store for that week, but that's okay. I'll be back after that week is over. We'll be back in business. All right, so we have that challenge finished, and then I think I'm just gonna put this dollar right here since this one is almost done. We'll just add $1 more to it, and that way next time it'll be close to being done. All right, I'm just gonna put this in challenge number 1. Okay. So that is it for our Mini Mondays, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Let me grab my random sticker for the day. Oh, there is definitely an emoji of this. If you guys made it to the end of the video, put the artist palette emoji. Thank you all so much for watching. I will hopefully see you tomorrow for Tiny Tuesdays. Bye.